Welcome back to Cooking Gluten and Dairy Free with Dave Dee. Today, we actually aren't cooking at all. We're whipping up a dairy-free creamy strawberry aqua fresca. It's cool, it's creamy, it's perfectly sweetened, and it tastes like summer in a glass. No long intro today, the drink speaks for itself. This is going to be quick. So while I have you, please subscribe if you're interested in more delicious recipes that just so happen to be gluten and dairy free. Please hit the thumbs up to show some love, and let's get right down to business. Let's go ahead and grab 3 pounds of strawberries. Throw them in a large bowl so we can give them a thorough wash. I like to use this stuff right here, but either way, wash them however you want. Fill the bowl with some water, agitate them with your hand, and pour the water off. I usually do this about 3 or 4 times. Next, we're going to husk about 2 pounds of the strawberries and leave the other pound for additional flavoring and garnish later on. So, use a sharp knife and cut the top portion off the strawberries and throw them in a blender. When you're done, it should look a little something like this. Now, go ahead and add about 2 cups of water. Blend it until it's smoother than them dudes in $2,000 shoes. Once it's blended, go ahead and add an additional cup of water and stir it in. Next, we're going to add about a tablespoon worth of vanilla extract. Stir that in. Now, grab a big pitcher. I think the one I'm using fits about 1 gallon. Now that we have our fresh strawberry juice, it's time for the creamy element. Grab a can of evaporated coconut milk, which is naturally dairy-free. This can be found at Amazon or Walmart if it's not at your local grocery store. Next, grab a can of sweetened condensed milk. Add your strawberry juice, and then add both cans and give it a stir. Finally, grab some non-dairy milk of your choice. I'm using almond milk, but soy milk or oat milk will work. Add about 2 cups worth and give it a stir. Now it's time to dice up some strawberries for additional flavor and garnishing. I suggest about 3 strawberries per glass. Grab a glass and add some ice. Pour your creamy deliciousness all the way to the top. Add about 2/3 of your strawberries and stir them in. Next, add the rest of the strawberries to the top so it looks nice and pretty. And if you're trying to be extra fancy, grab a whole strawberry and put it on the mouth of the glass. And there you have it, folks. A quick one today, but don't let the time fool you. This drink is refreshing and it's perfect for the hot days that we've been experiencing lately. Please hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and check out my old videos as well. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.